Hello students and welcome back to the channel. Today we will see more about control valves, types and symbols. Now let's see the types of control valves. There are 5 types of control valves: direction control valve, non-return valve, flow control valve, pressure control valve and shut-off valve. We will see one by one. The first one is direction control valve. The direction control valve controls the passage of air signals by generating, cancelling or redirecting signals. Direction control valves are categorized in 3 groups: signaling elements, processing elements and power elements. Now let's see how the valve is described. A control valve is described by number of ports, number of positions, method of actuation and also the method of return actuation. Now look at the symbols of valve. First one is 2x2 way direction control valve and second one is 3x2 way direction control valve, where this 2 represents the number of positions. Here you can observe that there are 2 positions in each valve. Now for the first valve, 2 in the first position indicates number of ports in each position, and for the second valve, 3 number of ports in each position. Here are some examples. Now let's move towards method of actuation. There are 5 methods of actuations such as manual actuation, mechanical actuation, pneumatic actuation, electrical actuation and last one is combined actuation. Here we can see different kinds of manual and mechanical actuations. Here pneumatic, electrical and combined type of actuations. Now let's see non-return valves. The non-return valve allows a signal to flow through the device in one direction. Amongst others, this principle is applied in shuttle valves and dual pressure valves. Here's the diagram for shuttle valve and the symbol of a shuttle valve. Now let's see the diagram for dual pressure valve and its symbol. Now let's see what are flow control valves. The flow control valve restricts the air in a particular direction to reduce the flow rate of the air and hence control the signal flow. Ideally, it should be possible to indefinitely vary the restrictor from fully open to completely closed. The flow control valve should be fitted as close to the working element as possible. If the flow control valve is fitted with check valve, then the function of flow control is unidirectional with full free flow in one direction. The flow control valve is categorized as throttle valve and one-way flow control valve. This is the symbol for throttle valve and this is the symbol for one-way flow control valve. Now moving towards pressure control valve. Pressure control valves are utilized in pneumatic systems. There are 3 main groups: pressure limiting valve, pressure regulating valve and pressure sequence valve. The pressure limiting valves are utilized on the upstream side of the compressor to ensure the receiver pressure is limited for safety and that the supply pressure to the system is set to the correct pressure. The pressure regulating valve keeps the pressure constant irrespective of any pressure fluctuation in the system. The valve regulates the pressure via a built-in diaphragm. The pressure sequence valve is used if a pressure-dependent signal is required for the advancing of a control system. Now the last one, that is shut-off valve. Shut-off valves are used for safety purpose. They block the compressed air, and this kind of valves are used mostly in industrial automation. The selection parameters for shut-off valve are range, environment and temperature, size and weight, pressure, and the type of application for which the shut-off valve is to be used. Now this is the symbol for shut-off valve. So students, this was all about control valves, their types, symbols, uses, etc. Hope you enjoyed learning. For more updates, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.